Right, so the future of the channel may be changing today. Up to this point, everything has been shot on an iPhone, usually on an iPhone 12. Sometimes, I think one video on the Fujifilm X-E3. From today, that may change. So we got this, that's good. It's a very small card, but with a decent capacity. We can always get more cards, but I think after every project what I've done is I've moved the video files. But then we have this. I wasn't really planning to do an unboxing video. I never really do those, but why not? Let's do it. Okay, so there's this arrow here, but it's under plastic, so you can't reach it. It's not even as if I don't have any nails, but I can't get to it. Okay, one moment. 2 moments later. Here we go. I should do a review of these knives. I mean, they're very cheap, you can get them everywhere, but they are so useful for everything. Aha, so look at this. So obviously this is wrapped in plastic, as everything is. But this is actually a seal of the box. So that's why I didn't get to it earlier. This is what's in it. This is what's in the box. It's the DJI OSMO Pocket 3 Creator Combo. The most useful video camera, they say, in this day and age. See, I'm doing this all for you guys. Gotta keep it dry. It's not weather sealed. Okay, so it's wrapped in more plastic. Don't know what that is. There's a box in the box. Let's take a look at that. So in the box, there's more plastic. Okay, so that box is empty. So the box can go back into the box. And it looks like this is the protective case. I've read about that. As you can hear in my voice, I'm still having a bit of a issue. Protective cover, yeah, okay. How does it work? All that stuff. Here you can put in a wide angle lens, so you can put in a black pro mist. Is that the only filters you can put in here? Or can you use this for different filters? Let's say you want an ND filter or something. I don't know. I guess we'll find out about that. There's some paperwork. Oh, DJI, what's this, stickers or something? Yeah, DJI stickers. Startup guide. Quick start guide. DJI forum. Communicate with DJI users around the world. And safety guidelines. Okay. Put that back. Put the plastic back. Put this back. Now, the real stuff. Let's continue. Really nice soft plastic. Okay, so there's this. It's like for in a shop or something. I don't know. Did I actually have this in camera? So this is in Chinese. It's in Portuguese, in Dutch. It's basically what's in the production. So what is this? It's black, 70% polyester, 30% PU resin, authorized by and so on and so forth. Okay, I'm gonna get this off as soon as I can. So everything is in the bag already. So you can see how that works. Okay, so here's the real thing. Here's the camera. It's smaller than I thought. It's cute. So let's put that here. We got the mic. Kind of funny stuff that they have this enormous DJI logo on the mic. Is this a damage or is it dirty from the factory? It's dirty. Yeah, so it's got this enormous logo on the front, so everybody's like talking into it. I've seen it on YouTube. The people are talking talking to the camera, talking to you, and they got this enormous DJI logo on the front. Bit strange, but hey, free advertising for DJI. This would be this is open everything. I'm gonna charge everything up anyway, and need to go to the shops. I need to do groceries, so I'll take this with me. So this looks like it's all got this protective films, which we'll remove. Yeah, so this is the extra battery. Then we have, this is probably the tripod. Yeah, this is a small tripod, so you can have the camera standing somewhere and you can film yourself. So this is your film crew. And that's that. There's nothing more in that section. Put this back. Okay, it goes in like so. That's how it fits better. And we got this. So this is the bottom. I think if you don't buy the creator combo, you get this with the camera. And then you put this under. This doesn't have an extra battery, I believe. But you can then put the camera on this, put this on a tripod, and you can charge through here. I don't really see the point in having this if you have that. But hey, we got this. For better or for worse. So we'll put that back. Let's see, is there anything here? Yeah, there's more stuff. Put this here. Here we have a cable and a dead cat. Not a real dead cat, thankfully. Oh no, it's not a cable. So we have this is for the mic, obviously. Put it on top of the mic if it's windy. It usually is. And this you put on the camera. So hopefully it's not going to fall out, drop out of your hands. And then we have something here, I think. What is this? Oh yeah, those are the filters. I can take this one out of the because it's going to go in there. Okay. I think that's the wide angle lens, right? Yeah, 0.75, 15 millimeters. Is that 15 millimeter like 35 millimeter equivalent? Does that work? Oh, it just goes in like so. That's easy. And there should be more. This, maybe I'll just keep that in here. You never know where you end up. You might end up in Brussels. Okay, so that's a charging cable. Always good. But I think there's supposed to be one more thing. I think there's also, maybe you don't get the Black Pro Mist filter. Maybe you have to buy that separately, I guess. Yeah, so this is all we have, right? What's in the box? The camera, cable, protective cover, carrying bag, transmitter, there's the mic, clip magnet, haven't seen that, must be in here somewhere. Or is that on the mic? No. No, it's not. And it's not in here. Clip magnet, we need to find the handle. Got that. Windscreen, battery, wide angle lens, mini tripod, wrist strap. Yeah. So we need the magnet. Don't know why I don't see that. So where's the magnet? Oh, hang on. Where's this? No, that's not it. Well, it's a nice pouch. Don't know if I would have bought it if it wasn't a part of the kit. I guess it's nice to have. Find it odd that it would be in here. No, magnet is not in here. Don't tell me we're missing stuff. I can't imagine. I can't imagine that being the case. That would be rather strange. I can't find the magnet. That is weird. Okay, let's use eyes instead of fingers. No, I can't see the magnet. Oh, hang on, here's something. Got it. So this is the magnet. Also in plastic. Or at least it's all very well protected. So as I understand it, yeah, this is a fantastic camera, and I have all faith. Look, it's very pretty. And I think this is just something you put on your shirt, and then the mic sort of clicks to it. Yeah, that's how that works. I can hardly get it. Oh, this is good stuff. Okay, yeah, as I understand it, it's a fantastic camera. It works brilliantly. One thing that it doesn't have is weather sealing, so like last week in Brussels would be challenging. But I think this might actually make the videos. I'm not going to say it's going to make the videos better, because that means I need to be better. I need to write better videos or something. I don't write them, I just make them. Maybe I should start writing them. But yeah, it's probably going to make it easier to make the videos. It's going to be more streamlined. Oh, yeah, I was going to keep this in here. Might make it more streamlined to make it, to make those videos. Might make them, the quality of the videos, higher. So let's keep an eye for that. I'm going to charge it. As I understand it, that doesn't take too long. And we'll go outside and take a look. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.